Hey everyone! Today we're gonna make a real drop test of our TVs in its single carton boxes. The test will be performed in accordance with related international standards. International Safe Transit Association ISTA 1A and American Society for Testing and Materials ASTM D5276, and also according to recommendations of Amazon on individual packed monitors and TVs testing for parcel delivery. There will be a series of drops from a certain height and different angles to simulate real conditions of improper carton handling and folding during delivery. Here is the table to determine the drop test height. The heavier the box, the greater the height. So we shall measure the carton weight first. TV and all the accessories are inside, of course, and determine the appropriate drop test standard height. We have two popular models in our test today. The first one is our compact cabinet door kitchen TV model AVEL 240WS. Box weight is 10 kg and a half, 23 pounds. The drop test height is 61 cm, 24 inches accordingly. The second model is AVEL 240SM waterproof TV for bathroom with 23.8-inch screen. Carton weight is about 18 kg, 40 pounds, and the drop test height is 46 cm, 18 inches. Right after the drops, we will open both cartons to check the TVs for any mechanical damage and turn it on also to make sure they are fine functionally. Those who want to see the full video record without cuts, editing and interruptions may check the link in the description below. Well, today we've made sure AVEL TVs have reliable and strong packing and robust internal structure too. No worries about dead-on-arrival units and TV safety during the transportation. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave a comment below or ask a question. We will answer shortly. Let us know too if you'd like to see other tests of our products. See you soon!